Hi everybody. It's a beautiful summer day here in Stockholm, and today is the longest day of the year. It's summer solstice. We have about 19 hours of daylight, and today is the time to speak about the SDG 12, responsible production and consumption. And I'm taking it from the SDG 13, the climate change. Uh, our production and consumption is mainly the reasons that we have accelerated the climate change. We know that there is many scientific researches about this, and we know anymore that we call Anthropocene, that is the human activities on planet Earth have led us to climate change and environmental crisis. And it is now time to start realizing that maybe it's time to start taking responsibility for our choices. Our choices in everyday life are very important, not only for climate change, but also for the whole agenda, the socio-economic also. Targets plays a crucial role to the climate change and the environmental crisis and the humanitarian crisis that is all interconnected. So what we can do, we have many solutions. We know that we can't continue on producing energy from fossil fuels, and we have already the technology for renewable energy, and we have already technology for producing plant-based food, and we must start changing our lifestyles, and that means first of all our food production and food consumption. We know now that animal farming and fisheries farming and animal and fishery farming is contributing to the climate change nearly 1/3. Also, we know that the way we produce our food, even the plant-based food, because the biggest amount of grains it goes for the animal consumption, and also the way we produce our plant-based food with fertilizers and chemics also has a big impact to the environment. And we know all these things, and we still continue doing the same choices. And we don't have enough time anymore, and we must try to be more responsible consumers, first of all, so we can push the industries to give us greener, cleaner, better products. I know that there is the opinion in a big part of the environmental movement that it is only 100 corporates that really do the biggest damage, nearly 70% of the biggest damage on Earth. But we know very well that these industries, they are producing these products for us. We demand for that. If we demand for a car, they're gonna do it even if it is with coal, with oil, with gas, or electric. But if we demand for, let's say, collective transportation, then we change the agenda. And I think that is the most important we can do now, change the agenda, change the way we are thinking, change the way we are designing, and change the way we are thinking about how the future we want to be. We know that we can't continue on like this, but the responsibility is not only for the corporations, and it's not only on us. Let's put it like it's a collective responsibility, and it's only one way to solve it collectively. So unity and joint forces, I think it is the only real solution. And with this, you can find plenty information about how the production and consumption destroying our environment. You can find on Google and Google it, Google different questions. Or on YouTube, there is many videos that explaining what exactly how and the procedure, how it happens. So get informed, and until the next time with the SDG 11. Bye.